I really enjoyed today's workshop because of that interaction with industry and the open dialogue that we were able to have about my project, bringing in like another perspective and someone that has experience in the industry, someone that's gone through university but also has that outside experience.
Today's workshop really sparked even something for me, as well as what I hope it did for the students. I think that every project had an element of dream to it, and that's what I sort of found quite alluring. To go back and see that sort of approach was quite refreshing. If anyone was to ask me for some advice on whether they should study spatial over anything else, I would obviously say yes. There are amazing resources for you as soon as you arrive in that door. There's people that want you to succeed. They're there to help. You can go there anytime to the workshops and it's fun. It's not a place where you have to just be making sure that you're hitting those grades. It's a place that is for you to explore and be encouraged to make, fail, make and make again. And it's through those processes, the practical processes that are encouraged and available at AUT that I think makes strong designers out there in the industry.
So the projects that the students did in the workshop today was really impressive because you get to see a wide range of ideas that you don't often see in the workspace. So I really enjoyed engaging with a lot of the ideas the students had and their projects with their very interesting narratives and complex designs. I think employers value AUT spatial design students because we're highly creative and we're able to explore disciplines outside of spatial design. For example, we learn things from installation, from textiles, architecture, interiors. It's a very multidisciplinary practice. If you're looking to study spatial design at AUT, I would really recommend to just have fun and to explore the things that you want to explore creatively and find out what you really want to do as a designer, because university is a great opportunity to really discover yourself and discover what you're passionate about.
I think the connection that AUT has with like the industry is like really beneficial to the students. Like just having that perspective on your designs and having them come in and tell you what really works, what really doesn't, what will be good for industry standards and stuff like that, just really helps with elevating your project and also you as a designer.